Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to hold the future of photography in your hands? A camera so advanced, it seems to blur the lines between imagination and reality? Well, today we're diving into the incredible leaks surrounding the Nikon Z90, a camera that promises to redefine how we see and capture the world. Stick around because this is more than just a gear update. It's a glimpse into what's next for photography and videography. The buzz. Picture this. You're scrolling through social media, and suddenly, every photographer and videographer you follow is raving about one thing: the Nikon Z90. It's not just another camera. It's a symbol of what happens when cutting-edge technology meets boundless creativity. What makes this camera so special? Let's break it down. The 40-megapixel marvel. At the heart of the Nikon Z90 lies its crown jewel, a 40-megapixel sensor. Imagine standing on a cliffside, capturing a sweeping landscape, and knowing that every blade of grass, every ripple in the water, is rendered in breathtaking detail. That's the power of this sensor. For architecture enthusiasts, every line and shadow of a historic building is brought to life. Portrait photographers? The depth and vibrancy of your subject's eyes will leave viewers captivated. This sensor isn't just about resolution. It's about creating art that feels alive. Speed 8 processor, the unsung hero. Behind every masterpiece is a workhorse. The Speed 8 processor in the Z90 ensures you never miss a moment. Imagine you're photographing a hummingbird mid-flight or an athlete at the peak of their jump. The processor's lightning-fast response time captures these fleeting moments with unparalleled clarity. But it doesn't stop there. Shooting in low light? The Speed 8 reduces noise while enhancing dynamic range, giving you stunningly clear images even in challenging conditions. It's like having a silent partner who ensures every shot is flawless. Autofocus redefined. Here's a scenario. You're at a wildlife reserve, trying to capture a cheetah sprinting across the plains. The Nikon Z90's advanced autofocus system, with 493 focus points covering nearly the entire frame, ensures that your subject stays sharp no matter how fast or unpredictable the movement. And for portrait photographers, the intelligent eye detection autofocus is a game changer. Whether it's a child's mischievous grin or a pet's soulful gaze, the Z90 locks onto the eyes with precision, making your portraits come alive. Cinematic brilliance. But the Z90 isn't just about stills. If you're a filmmaker or content creator, you'll love its ability to shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second. Imagine crafting cinematic masterpieces with smooth, stunning footage that's ready for the big screen. With 10-bit color and hybrid log gamma, HLG modes, the Z90 gives you unprecedented flexibility in post-production. High contrast scenes? No problem. The dynamic range captures every detail, ensuring your videos are as vivid and dramatic as your vision. Built for adventure. Now let's talk durability. Whether you're trekking through a rainforest, exploring a windswept desert, or braving icy mountaintops, the Nikon Z90 is your trusty companion. Its rugged magnesium alloy body and weather-sealed construction mean it's ready for whatever nature throws your way. A tool for visionaries. So, who is the Nikon Z90 for? Whether you're a budding amateur eager to take the next step or a seasoned pro pushing the boundaries of your craft, this camera is designed to inspire. It's more than a tool. It's an extension of your creative vision. The Nikon Z90 is not just another camera. It's a statement. A bold declaration that the future of photography and videography is here, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.